Hey girl, no, you don't need 10 steps, you only need actually 5. So, let's get into it. So step 1 is double cleansing. I like to use this Neutrogena water-based cleanser. It's really soft on the skin and it just helps to get all the dead off your skin. Not so much because it's really a little bit goes a long way. Just want to wet with that and cleanse at least for like a minute. That's not exaggerated. You need actually a minute. So you wet your hands again. Don't forget your neck. And now you have to wash off cleanser with warm water, not so hot. And don't forget your neck. Cleansing just helps to get rid of the dead from the makeup and from the day. You want to double cleanse your skin not only in the morning but also in the evening. After double cleansing, then you want to pat your skin, just pat. Don't rub it because that will then cause your skin to be irritated. Clean face cloth. As the next step, I like then to cleanse my skin or just wipe off the rest of the dead or residues, especially the days I wear makeup. And I use this one with rose water. Always, don't forget your neck. Never forget your neck. It belongs to you. Third step is vitamin C. And just for the glow, it's just also anti-inflammatory. And I love to use those little things, how you call it, capsules or something, because the dose is already measured for you. You don't have to overthink it. Apply after your skin is really dry because vitamin C doesn't like water to be mixed with water, so you have to be careful. Fourth step is then moisturizer. You want to have a not so pricey moisturizer, and I actually like in a tube. I just feel like you don't need to have aloe vera in it, and it's really good for my skin. And moisturizer just helps that your skin is thing you want to moisturize your skin. Doesn't matter if you have skin dry skin or oily skin, always moisturize your skin because then you also lock in the moisture in your products. And also moisturizer for the evening, I actually recommend this one. This is the Neutrogena night cream. It's also gel, but really nice. I love the product. I saw really moisturizing. And from the price point here, it's one really break the point, the bank. The fifth and the last step of your skincare routine, and my favorite, is sunscreen. I love this one. This one will leave you looking like you are casket ready, and it doesn't make your eyes teary. From the price point here, it's also really nice. €9 almost. You just want to apply it every day. No matter if it's cloudy, minus 25 degrees, just apply it. Your skin glowing and getting better. If you take anything from this video, please, even if you don't double cleanse, just don't skip the sunscreen part, because then I actually saw significant change in my skin after I religiously started applying sunscreen every day. Like if you have oily skin, I hope you just find a sunscreen that doesn't clog your pores and use it every day. And don't forget your neck. Look at that glow. So one of the steps I like to do, especially when my skin is breaking out, I like to use treating pimples and breakouts, is always to apply tea tree oil. I got this from the Body Shop, and every time from the Body Shop, dip it in like that, and I can apply anywhere where there is pimples. And that's it. Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.